This morning, as per usual, I was running to catch my bus. It was snowing pretty hard, not violently, but still fairly blustery, and I was running against the direction of the wind, so of course there was snow blowing just at my face. Naturally, I was breathing rather hard because I had the 20-pound backpack, the violin, the heavy boots, all that jazz, and I snorted up a rather large amount of snowflakes. They are crystal structured. Haha. So funny. No, that's not funny, it's not a joke. It's a terrible problem that needs to be addressed by use of D.A.R.E, Drug Abuse Resistance Education. It is still a large problem in America, and it takes up a lot of funds, and we do not have the fiscal means to be spending money on backwards problems like this one. I don't even know if is crystal meth snorted? I don't know. I wouldn't know. Okay, well then, there's that. Speaking of inconvenient weather, the other day I had to bring with me to school a standard-sized large poster because I was giving a oral presentation of my literary criticism of Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness, of which I took a historo-psychoanalytical perspective. A lot of words. The velocity vector of the wind in the X direction that day were extremely high, so I'm trying to walk on the path with this poster, and because I'm stupid, I didn't roll it up before I left the house. So I'm walking, and it's like flat against me because I didn't want to hold it sideways, otherwise it would bend. So that was, needless to say, a very difficult walk. But finally I make it to my AP Lit class, and I have to give this speech using the poster as a visual supplement, and I realize that one of my pictures is missing because it blew off in the wind. Now, the majority of the pictures which I had on there were pasted using the liquid Elmer's glue, but the first three that I did were done by stick glue, and lo and behold, the one that flew off was one that was done by the stick. And I was very upset by that, because it was a good picture. It was of Marlowe as he was seated like a Buddha against the mast whilst he tells his story. Everything turned out fine, but even so, I was very disconsolate about the fact that the picture had blown away. Just the lone Buddha in the wind. I can't really snap. Fail? No. Dang it.